Hi, my dear children. Good evening to all. You know, our pre-midterm examination over. Many of you wrote all the answers and scored a good mark. But I am not satisfied with your answer sheet. Because the way of presentation is very poor. Not for all, but some students, they did not mention their name, class, division, subject of examination all. And some of them did not mention the question number. There is no number for any question answer. And some students wrote examination on a paper from their notebook. So from this, what I can understand now, you are not at all serious about this examination. You know, after the examination, we are keeping our answer sheet very safe, and at last we file all these answer sheets in the portfolio. And another thing is your handwriting. Not at all neat. The next thing is images. Images of your answer sheet is blurred images. So I cannot read it properly. So next time onwards, don't do such things. Okay. So you have to, you know the procedure of examination. Then next time onwards, take a neat paper. Write your name, class, division, subject for examination and all. Then put proper number for question answers. Take the photo properly. Photos of answer sheets must be properly. Okay. We completed almost 1.5 lesson. Today I am not giving any new topic. Today I will give the topic for assignment. I decided numerics as assignment. Apart from your written examination, you have 20 marks assignment also. So these assignment we will add in the portfolio, and for your portfolio you will get internal marks also. So you should write the assignment in a proper way. First thing is, write in a neat paper. Take a neat paper and write the assignment. You know, we are using A4 sheet. So, write in a neat paper. Then on the first page, you should write assignment and then write topic for assignment. If it is numerics means, you can write numerics, then lesson. Numerics from the lesson. You have to write the name of the lesson there. If it is numeric from the lesson motion, or numerics from the lesson electricity, then next you have to write your name, class and division. If you know your roll number, you can write the roll number also. And mention the subject also on the front page. Physics assignment, like that you write. Then in the next page, you write a small introduction regarding the assignment. If it is numerics means, you can write a small introduction about the lesson. Okay. Then next page onwards, write the questions and solve the question answers. Okay. Then one more thing. for next examination. Next written test is on next Monday. So for Monday's test, you have to study the lesson, the last class what we studied. Second chapter. Okay, the second chapter. The second chapter what we studied, that you study for the Monday's examination. I will conduct examination based on that second chapter. Okay. So, prepare the assignment properly and you have to complete the assignment before Monday 5 p.m. I'll call you or sometimes I will send a message to send the assignment. Randomly I will call and ask to send the assignment. So all should complete the work before Monday. Monday 5 p.m. Okay. So from this video you will get the topic for your assignment. Please watch it and write the question properly and do the work.
An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? Question number 2. Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight line, that is straight 300 meter road, in 2 minutes 30 seconds, and then turns around and jogs 100 meter back to point C in another 1 minute. What are Joseph's average speeds and velocities in jogging? A, from A to B, then B from the point A to the point C. Then question number 3. Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul's trip? Next question. A motorboat starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? Okay, these are the 4 questions for your assignment.